Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're just going to jump into Ibots again to see how I'm doing since 12 days ago. Pretty much Ibots is still lasting and it has been here since November, so Ibots has outlasted what is it, PGV, Stable Fund, what other ones did I do, possibly on Alpha Capital, Circulate Money, all these kind of ones. So yeah, as I said, Ibots has been pretty much running smoothly, touch wood, since November. So we're going to just jump into that. If we go straight into Ibots, you can see here I have earned $75, and as I said, I have what is it? I think I took some of the earnings out, but I'm not 100% sure. But either way, as I said, the last month or two has been doing really well. In 2 days, I will be charged the maintenance fee, so this comes out of the my earnings part. But as I said, we're already probably very close to covering that anyway. For the month alone, we had 0.2% there Tuesday, and this is obviously Thursday. So I'm hoping maybe today or tomorrow we have a few more positive trades anyway. But what we're going to do is quickly look at for the month of June. So we're going to do this by jumping over to Discord. You can see down here for the month of June, they ended with 6% profit for the entire month. For me, I'm delighted with them. I'm delighted to have 6% profit on my investment there every month. It's earning away. I will be looking to hopefully get this to $100 profit, and I'm going to compound it back in just before the TVL reaches $1 million. Now remember, as soon as we hit $1 million, that's it. The TVL hits $1 million, they're cutting it off, so you won't be able to deposit anything into it. So I think that's a really good thing to do, and I think it adds a bit more sustainability and stability in it. So as the team has always said in this, you'll often see it if you go through their announcements that they turn off bots and stuff like that. They are very heavily focused on maintaining capital, and sometimes I will hold my hand up and I would be angry at this because everybody wants to keep printing money every day. So, but over the long term, you know what I mean, this is where their experience comes in over the likes of me, for example, because I probably would have just kept trading and trying to grow the balance bigger and bigger. However, their good money management seems to be in position for it. So hats off to them for that. So as I said, if we look at June, you can see here all the different trades. You can see a general trend that maybe Tuesdays and Thursdays are not the most active days for trading. So is that is there a reason for that? I presume with trades where they trade Forex and stocks and stuff like that. So that's probably the big reason for it. As I mentioned, you have the 6% for last month. So again, if we can make another 6% for this month, happy days. We just quickly cover what they have done. So if you can see probably up here about KYC, we're going to jump to Twitter here and just see that. So again, if you're not following me on Twitter, please do. I'm trying to build out everything, all my channels here, and said I would appreciate your support. You can see here the June the 27th, they completed KYC, which was approved by Azure Defi. So confidence. So again, it's adding an extra layer of trust and confidence. So you can see it here about it. Trading bots as a service protocol right now focus on Forex trading. They have done their paperwork and everything with them to obviously get verified. This doesn't mean that we'll have to be KYC'd, but as I said, it's always an extra benefit when you see projects doing this. I think most projects do this obviously at a very early stage, but I said they have built up a lot of trust with everyone since November especially, and how they were wanting to build it out. They initially started it out with no maintenance fees for early adopters and users, and then obviously started to implement the fees into it. So look, make sure I leave the link for the Discord, but make sure you join it. But as you can see, the general consensus here is that we are doing well. Since November, we have a 31% return basically. So you're very close to getting 100% return within a year kind of at this rate, and there's not much crypto projects that offer that and can actually last a year. So You know, gone are the days, hopefully, of these crazy projects offering 1.5 to 2% per day, which, you know, at the time we probably knew, but we didn't say much. But they were all Ponzi's, and 90% of them end as all Ponzi's end. They run out of money, and that's it. These guys here are generating real money from trades. So, as I said, all the information's in their Discord. You can go and see the FX book and stuff like that. Been saying it for quite some time. I'm trying to pump this up. I was hoping for money from to come in from a few other projects that I was obviously hoping to get a refund from, and I was going to try and pump some of it into this, but it's a bit slower process to try and get me to the 1,000 total balance here. But so that's my aim here, building out proper passive income streams, and as I said, I'm hoping that Ibots is going to be the one for that. So I leave my link in the description. You see below there, just click that. You can sign up through it. If you're interested in getting involved in it, again, as I said, cut off points at 1 million, so we're getting very close to that since even my last video. So that's pretty much it for today's video, everyone. I want to thank everyone that has watched it this far. I appreciate it if you would like it, the video, comment what your thoughts are if you're interested in getting into it, and obviously subscribe to the channel. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks very much everyone for watching it, and I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.